In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get copper bars in Lego Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So you're going to need multiple things that are quite hard to actually get. So first, I'm going to show you the things you are going to need. So you're going to need to actually ultimately make a metal smelter. And in order to make a metal smelter, you're going to need these certain things. So as you can see, when you go to create one, you need bright core and you need blast core, and also obsidian slabs, which we have made a video on before. So for bright core, you're going to need to mine, and for blast core, there are going to be rollers in the actual caves where they drop these blast cores. And for bright core, you're going to need to find these that